To those who've stood tall.
To those who've made the ultimate sacrifice.
We remember.
We remember.
We remember.
We always remember.
It began as a vision. It's become a mission. Folds of Honor is dedicated to the families of fallen or disabled service members, providing educational scholarships to their spouses and children. Since 2007, Folds of Honor has awarded some 16,000 scholarships, including more than 100 in the St. Louis area.
I'm Beatrice Gibson, and thanks to Folds of Honor, I'll be graduating from Webster University. When I found out that I was getting a scholarship from Folds of Honor, I was extremely excited. I actually reread the letter a couple of times just to make sure it was real. The difference that Folds of Honor has made in my life has been tremendous. They have helped me so much and my father so much. This is my dad, and he's my hero because he's a hard worker and he's selfless. He's a great guy. That makes me very proud. That's why my father served, was not only to help the people of regular civilian life, but to also help his comrades that fought right beside him. I think that Schnucks in the St. Louis community stepping up to support Folds of Honor is a big deal. You don't know how much your sacrifices and your giving helps us.
To feel that you are protecting your country, protecting the world. That's an amazing feeling as an 18-year-old.
Between the 2 times I was in Iraq, I probably did close to 400 combat missions on the highway.
This jacket means everything to me because it reflects where I've been and what I've done while I was in the military.
Many Schnucks teammates have proudly served our country. And like the entire Schnucks family, these veterans are honored to embrace the call and support Folds of Honor.
I think it's awesome, and it gives me a sense of pride to put on that black shirt and go to work to know that we're helping my comrades, my shipmates.
Or what it tells me and what it tells the people who serve in the military is, don't worry, we have your back. Thank you for having ours.
It lets me know that my service did not stop in 2000 when I was discharged from the service. So it gives me the ability to continue to serve, so to speak.
This is just another example of how Schnucks really wants to nourish people's lives in all of our communities. And now I think we get to do that on a greater scale by working with Folds of Honor.